Hello everyone, another do me well recipe is here. This one I call it chocolate brownie cupcake. Yes, these chocolate brownie cupcake are very rich, they are fudgy and incredibly easy to make. If you love brownies and cupcakes, this recipe is for you. You don't need to search any longer. And here are easy recipe for you: your all-purpose flour, your cocoa powder, add your sugar, add your brown sugar, add your salt and your baking powder. You mix all the dry ingredients very well. In another clean bowl, you mix your butter and your eggs. You are going to add eggs one after the other. You mix until they are fluffy. You go in with your milk. Mix everything, all the wet ingredients, combine them with your dry ingredients. Remember to add your milk bit by bit until you get your consistent mixture you need for this chocolate brownie. Once that is done, you go ahead, add your vanilla flavor, mix and mix. Do you have a cupcake pan? Yes, just get it and scoop everything inside. As you can see here in this video, very easy. Once that is done, make sure you have preheated your oven. Go ahead and bake until they are well baked. Allow it to cool as we make our frosting. We are making chocolate frosting. Just melt your chocolate with your milk on your microwave. Mix your butter, as you can see here. Add your chocolate mixture with the butter. Whisk everything. Now we go in with our egg whites, 2 egg whites. Add your sugar. Mix and melt it in a warm water. Keep mixing the egg whites with your sugar until the sugar is well dissolved. For you to know that the sugar is well dissolved, you can use your finger tip and touch. Once there is no crunchy sugar again, you can feel, you know that the sugar is ready. So go in and whisk it with your hand mixer until you get a thick frosting. Check it out. Then go in with your chocolate mixture inside the egg whites. Mix everything to combine and then use your spatula, combine, and your frosting is ready. It is time for piping. So get your piping bag and design the cake, putting the frosting on top of your cupcake. Add your toppings. Any toppings of your choice is good to go. So check it out here. This is what we added: gold praline with colors. You can add any topping of your choice and your cupcake is ready. So feel free to double the quantity if you need more. Yes, if you find this video helpful, just like our video, subscribe and share for more delicious baking videos. Check out our channel. We have more videos coming your way.